Setting up Best Egg versus Prosper requires a thorough understanding of both platforms and their unique features. Best Egg and Prosper are two popular peer-to-peer lending platforms that allow individuals to borrow and lend money. To begin with, it is essential to understand the key differences between Best Egg and Prosper. Best Egg is a lending platform that offers personal loans to borrowers with good credit, while Prosper is a platform that allows individuals to invest in personal loans. The first step in setting up Best Egg is to check your eligibility by providing basic information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once you have been approved, you can choose from a variety of loan options with different interest rates and repayment terms. On the other hand, setting up Prosper requires creating an account and verifying your identity. As an investor, you can browse through a list of loan listings and choose the ones that fit your investment criteria. When comparing Best Egg and Prosper, it is crucial to consider the interest rates, fees, and repayment terms. Best Egg offers interest rates ranging from 5.99% to 29.99%, while Prosper offers interest rates ranging from 6.99% to 35.99%. In terms of fees, Best Egg charges an origination fee ranging from 0.99% to 5.99%, while Prosper charges a servicing fee ranging from 1% to 2%. To get the best out of both platforms, it is essential to have a good credit score, a stable income, and a solid investment strategy. Borrowers should carefully review the loan terms and conditions before accepting a loan offer, while investors should diversify their portfolio by investing in multiple loans. In conclusion, setting up Best Egg versus Prosper requires a thorough understanding of both platforms and their unique features. By following these steps and considering the key differences between the two platforms, individuals can make informed decisions and achieve their financial goals.